Spooky season, spooky season, spooky season! Welcome to my studio. I'm Artemis and I make custom dolls. It's finally spooky season, my favorite time of year, but my mini-me doesn't really fit the season, so I want to change that and do a one-day make challenge. I will be making the entire outfit and seasonal changes to mini-me all in one single day, not including the time that it took me to get the pattern pieces together to begin with. As you'll see, I have EVA foam hat pieces. I'll just be using a pair of shoes from my stash to help with the time limit, and pattern pieces for a crop top with bell sleeves, and pattern pieces for a set of wide leg pants and a waistband. For materials, I have this beautiful seasonal bat print chiffon that has been in my stash for almost 2 years, and this funky orange cotton to help really keep that Halloween spirit in this outfit. I'm going to start with the pants. First, let's cut out the pattern pieces. Ooh, I love this seasonal magic. I'll first hem the pant legs separately along the bottom. I've also prepped the waistband here, but I realized that I should probably baste the pant legs together to make it a little easier on me in the future. Maybe a little bit of magic will make this faster? Huh. I guess it's still a little early in the season to get any sort of longevity out of this magic. I'll have to conserve it for the rest of the video. To sew the pants together, I'll be sewing up one of these curved lines all the way up. I'll then add the waistband and sew the second curved line about halfway up so I can add a closure later. Then I'll sew from one leg all the way down to the other leg. They're so cute. Honestly, if the pattern were a larger scale, I would totally make a pair of these for myself. Now for the top. Let's get those pattern pieces cut out again. These pieces are really small, so I'm going to baste all of the layers together. I show you here that I was going to hem the edge of the sleeves, but the pattern piece was very wrong. But now that everything is basted, I have fixed those sleeves. I added a little handmade ribbon fringe, since I liked the look of the selvage edge of the fabric, but didn't really want unfinished material. Now I'll just whip these top pieces together. And I was gonna try and use a little bit more magic here, but let's be safe and skip that. Now that all the parts of the top are put together, I'm going to fold it in half and sew from the bottom edge all the way along one side and down the sleeve on both sides. Then I'll do a quick hem of the top and add an inner piece to keep the collar down, and the top will be done. I added a button and an elastic closure to the top here. I decided I liked the open back look. I added some more fringe to the hem of the top and couldn't resist adding a little bit of black gems to finish off the neckline. It's starting to seem like it's not quite one of my projects if I don't include at least a little unnecessary bling. Now I wanted to do a witch's hat for this project too, as you saw earlier in the video, but unfortunately with the one-day restraint, I couldn't get all of the pieces of the hat cut out and tested, so I ended up scrapping that project for this video. I do still plan on making a witch's hat, so in future videos you should see the end results of that. But for now, I hope you enjoy the end result pictures of this cute little one-day outfit make. It took me in total about 4 hours of work time to get it done, and I did also paint Mini-Me's nails black and redid my forehead moon tattoo, as I haven't been able to stop staring at how crooked it was since I originally created them. I hope you're ready for some wonderfully spooky things this season. I've got so much planned and hopefully I get through it all. If you've made it this far in the video, please leave a like on the video, and don't forget to boop the subscribe button and tickle the bell if you haven't already. Thank you again so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!